This is an open and honest review of Cathy's flower house, which you may have seen for sale in various places, including Amazon. So this is the box that you'll receive, and you can see it's a pretty box. It's about 13 inches by 2.5 inches by 8 inches. And when you open it up, there's everything you need to make this kit. So to start with, you've got your instruction booklet. I really like the instruction booklet because there's a lot of pictures and fewer words. And also the big project is broken down into lots of smaller projects. So you're going to make each little bit and then start assembling. So it allows you to work on it over however long you want to, which is what I've done. And there's the glue, which is really good. It is perfect for this project. You've got all your little pieces in all these bags, and you'll see that all the bags have numbers on them. So don't worry, as you're looking through the instructions, it tells you which piece you want and which bag it's in. So that makes it a whole load easier to work on, especially if you keep coming back to it on different days. And then you can see the larger pieces here to actually get your structure. Yeah, all there. There's some paint to paint the large wooden items. And here are some paper elements. So those ones pop out, and these ones you need to cut out. There are also a couple of sheets that allow you to identify the larger parts accurately, which are really useful. And some black card. So I've now completed my greenhouse, and I want to share that with you so you can see what you're likely to achieve. There's nothing special about me, so if I can manage to make it, I'm sure you can. What I would say is it's small, you've got to have a little bit of patience, but this is what you can achieve. So I'll just go in a bit closer and show you what it's like. And I hope you can see it's very like the picture that you will see on the shops and on the box. And I'm really happy with it. Is it perfect? No. Is it exactly the same as the one on the box? No. But I love it. So I would recommend this kit. And also, it's lit. And it looks fabulous in your room of an evening. When you just pop that light on, it really does make it something special. So overall, I would recommend this. And there's links on the screen and in the description below so you can buy yours from Amazon.